Constructed from polypropylene plastic, our emergency shelters can take winds up to 70 miles per hour and are capable of bouncing back from extreme punishment such as crushing severe impacts and exposure to extreme weather conditions. The shelter has been designed to withstand up to 5 pounds per square foot snow load before the roof section will start to deform. If the roof does start to collapse, it can be easily pushed back into shape. 5 people are needed to safely open the 18-foot shelter. We have picked 5 untrained workers to assist us with this demonstration. Open the shelter with the A-fold facing the ground. Start expanding the shelter by pulling on one or both ends. Use the yellow straps to pull open the shelter. You are allowed to walk inside on the blue floor to flatten the pleats. Insert the end poles at each end and Velcro them in place. Once this operation is done, your shelter is ready for occupancy. Even untrained workers can erect this shelter in less than 1 minute. The same untrained workers will now take down the 18-foot shelter. Start by closing all zippers on the end panels. The 18-foot shelter is so heavy in the middle, it requires the extra air pressure from the closed ends to help support it while it is being taken down. Tip the shelter onto its side. This is an important step. Once the shelter is on its side, you will push in the various pleats so they are folding properly. Guide the pleats in place to help them fold properly. Use the triangular sections on the floor as a reference to show you which way the pleats will go, whether they are in or out. Unzip the door panels to slowly release air from the shelter. The slowly releasing air will allow you to control the shelter as it starts to collapse. Make sure the pleats are working properly. Guide the pleats as the floor collapses. Check to make sure all the end panels zippers are open. You will not be able to put the unit away if there's anything impeding the collapsing process. Push the ends towards the middle. Do a final check inside as you push the ends together to make sure all the pleats are in place. Tip the folded unit onto its end. At this point, gravity should take over and the unit will slowly settle into place. Any minor tears or stress cracks can now be repaired with duct tape. The collapsed unit should be lifted with a man on each one of the corners. For easy bagging, place the A-fold towards the bag hinge. The completely collapsed unit is now properly placed and can be easily zippered up for final transport. The complete bagged shelter is now ready for shipping. This has taken less than 3 minutes.